Gunshots rang out along Monk Street in Spanish Town, leading to classes at the St Jago High School being suspended. Hundreds of terrified students fled to the auditorium of St Jago High School in Rivoli, St Catherine, and hunkered down in fear as shots rang out before 11 a.m. on Thursday, January 25, 2008. All we knew is that there were armed men on the compound and gunshots were being fired. The students were huddled down in the auditorium. We were scared. The teachers were trying to get all the students to safety, one student told a reporter. Superintendent Bo Rigby, who is in charge of the volatile St Catherine North Division where the school is located, said criminal elements were reportedly on the compound.
Students, everyone, stay on the inside. We will be advised as what.
It is not the first time St Jago students have had to flee for their safety amid gunshots. In 2011, a gunfight between hoodlums and police spilled onto the school compound. In light of the development, the police quickly flooded the Rivoli area where a strong contingent of military and police conducted operations in the area. The Constabulary Communication Unit confirmed that an unidentified male was shot and killed at about 1:30 a.m. this morning after a confrontation with the police on Jones Avenue in Spanish Town. One firearm was recovered during the shooting. It is alleged that this is what led to the upheaval in Rivoli. The situation remained relatively calm at the St Jago High School and school was dismissed. One student had earlier described the frightening ordeal as gunshots rang out in the vicinity of the school. The student said a nurse was attempting to soothe the frayed nerves of the students who were crying after the ordeal. A lot of students appeared to be worried about how they would return home with the area so tense. This morning there was a phone search and several phones were confiscated by the school, and several students were upset, saying that the authorities know Spanish Town is an unpredictable area and anything can happen, and now they need their phones to get in touch with their parents. One student. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Students, everyone, stay on the inside. We will be advised as what.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.